Hope you're fine, hope you're awake, and I hope that you are ready to embark into a journey, a plane trip, hopefully not a trip with me, hopefully for you, but a trip with Thales, whether it is Thales here in Paris or Thales in Firenze, Italy, that will join us in a moment, and also a trip where we will be embarking all the technologies, all the startups that are around us. As a matter of fact, yes, in order to go on a plane trip, you need obviously a plane with avionics, electronics in the plane. You need air traffic control. You need satellite communications. Some of us need IFE, which is in-flight entertainment, the TV you have in the plane. And hopefully Thales is doing all that. You also need airports. What leads us to smart airports. Yes, as a matter of fact, airports are like cities. They are cities within the cities. They embark a lot of stakeholders, whether it is police, airlines, airport managers, baggage handlers, and so on and so forth. Idea of our solution, with the help of the technology provided by the startups here, is to add up, if not multiply, all the data that is gathered and mastered within the airport. Air traffic control, baggage handling systems, passenger information, police data, all that in order to maximize the passenger experience so that the airport gains attractiveness as per comparison with the other airports that you know are in competition with them. So basically the idea is to do strange math, which is 1 + 1 equals at least 3, by adding up all this data and to be able to do forensics. What happens, for example, if I lose a runway in terms of capacity? Yes, in terms of air traffic control, but also in terms of passenger flows. How many people will wait at the police lines, etc., etc. The idea is so to improve the customer experience based on the 4 technologies that are core for Thales. Cybersecurity, clearly, everything has to be cybered. Managing the data, if you are not cybered, it's not only not creating value, it's destroying value. So cyber is a must. Connectivity, to gather all this data. Big data, that's what it's about. And artificial intelligence to be able, let's say, to foresee what is possible to happen or likely to happen. The idea there, building on those 4 technologies, is to cope with the booming of the air traffic. Today, 4 billion people like you are going through airports every year. We know for sure that in 2050, so almost tomorrow, it will be 16.16 billion, multiplied times 4. So clearly, there is a critical need for improving not only the capacity of the infrastructure, but also the quality of the passenger experience, because as I said before, more and more airports are in competitions. So the idea, again, 1 + 1 equals something around 3 or even more, in order to maximize the customer experience and the attractiveness of the city and the country that lives around the airport.